5-step cybersecurity roadmap no one talks about. Before you waste another month watching random cybersecurity tutorials or buying that expensive certification, listen to this. Thousands of people are trying to break into cybersecurity right now, but over 90% of them are doing it completely wrong. They are collecting certificates like Pokemon cards, hoping someone will hire them. Spoiler alert, it doesn't work that way. Today, I'm giving you the real 5-step roadmap that actually gets people hired. And no, you don't need to be a genius or write perfect code. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sirat, IT support and cybersecurity specialist. I share practical advice about living and working in tech, especially here in Germany where I work. And here is the thing about cybersecurity. It's one of the fastest growing fields globally, with companies desperate for skilled people. Yet most beginners have no idea where to start, so they end up wasting months or even years going in circles. Oh, and before we dive in, I have created a completely free detailed PDF roadmap that breaks down everything we are covering today, plus bonus resources, daily study schedules, and a complete checklist to track your progress. It's 100% free. Just click the link in the descriptions below or subscribe to my weekly newsletter to have access to it. Trust me, you will want to reference this as you go. I created this because I wish someone had given me a clear roadmap when I started. So grab it, print it, pin it to your wall, whatever works for you. Step 1. Choose your path. Not all cybersecurity jobs are the same. Before we talk about the certifications, I have a question for you. Please write down in the comments below which certification you have got and which one are you thinking to take and why. Here's the first mistake people make. They say, I want to work in cybersecurity without understanding what that actually means. Cybersecurity isn't one job. It's like saying, I want to work in medicine or be a doctor. Okay, but are you a surgeon or a dentist? Big difference, right? Let me simplify it. Blue team, red team, GRC. Blue team defense, you are protecting systems. Think roles like SOC analyst. You monitor networks, detect threats, and respond to incidents. These jobs are perfect for beginners because there are tons of openings. Red team offense, you are the ethical hacker. Penetration testers find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. Super interesting but more competitive. GRC, governance, risk, and compliance. Less technical, more about making sure companies follow security laws and regulations. Huge demand, especially with regulations like GDPR in Europe. Security engineering. You build and mentor secure systems, firewalls, security tools, infrastructure. Great salaries, but requires more experience. Your homework. Spend this week reading actual job descriptions on LinkedIn or Indeed. Don't worry about the requirements yet. Just ask yourself, does this day-to-day work excite me? Because if you don't know what you are aiming for, you will never hit the target. Bonus step. My company is hiring for entry-level and second-level IT support roles. In Germany, these positions are often filled internally or through employee referrals before they even go public on sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, or Stepstone. That's why I've created a 2-week IT career mentorship program for free. If I refer a successful candidate, I get a bonus. So my incentive is to fully prepare you, and I will guide you through the technical skills, the application, and the interview, all for free. If you're interested, comment mentorship below and I will contact you directly. To get all the details, watch the full video above or in the descriptions below. Now, step 2. Build your foundation, the skills every path requires. Before you touch any certification, you need the fundamentals. Think of this as learning to walk before you run. First, basic IT knowledge. You need to understand how computers work. What's the CPU, what's RAM, how operating systems function. If someone asks you, why won't my computer boot, and you're completely lost, start here. Study Windows basics and get comfortable with Linux. Almost every security tool now runs on Linux. Second, networking. This is non-negotiable. Every cyber attack travels over a network. If you don't understand networks, you can't understand cybersecurity. You must learn the OSI model, TCP/IP, how routers and switches work, what DCP does, and basic IP addressing. Here's where I will be honest. Study CompTIA Network Plus material, not necessarily to get certified right away, but because it is the best structured networking course for beginners. This foundation will save you in every interview. If this roadmap helped you, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment telling me which cybersecurity role excites you most. SOC analyst, pen tester, GRC. I read and reply to every single comment. Third, security fundamentals. Learn the CIA triad, understand the difference between threats and vulnerabilities, know the common malware types, and understand how attacks like phishing actually work. This foundation takes about 3 to 4 months if you are studying a few hours daily. It's not glamorous, but skip it and you will struggle forever. If this resonated with you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me with the algorithms. Step 3. Get hands-on experience. This is what actually gets you hired. Here's the hard truth. Certificates prove you can pass a test. Employers want proof you can do the work. So how do you get experience without a job? 3 ways. First, build a home lab. Download VirtualBox. It's free. Install Windows, Linux, and create your own mini network. Practice setting up users, configuring permissions, installing a firewall. This is where you actually learn, and it looks amazing when you talk about it in the interviews. Second, use hands-on platforms. Jump on TryHackMe or HackTheBox. These platforms teach you real skills: Linux commands, network scanning. Using tools like Wireshark and Nmap is a fun, gamified way. Every room you complete is real experience you can talk about. Document everything. This is where 95% of people lose opportunities. Create a simple GitHub profile, Medium, blog, or even a Notion page or a website. Write about what you are learning. Share your home lab setup, post TryHackMe, write apps. As in the job interviews, when everyone else says I have Security Plus, you can say I have Security Plus, and here's my GitHub or my page or profile with 20 projects showing exactly what I can do. Who do you think gets hired? Step 4. Immerse yourself in the community. Cybersecurity changes every single week. New vulnerabilities, new attacks, new tools. If you're not plugged into the community, you will fall behind. Follow security researchers on Twitter, X, and LinkedIn. Watch channels that break down recent attacks. Join Discord servers and Reddit communities where people share resources and ask questions. That's online. And offline, look for local meetups, B-sides events, hacker meetups. Yes, they exist in almost all communities, and of course that might also be in your city, and yes, they are beginner friendly. Here's the secret nobody tells you. Many jobs get filled through referrals before they even hit the boards. When you network and people remember you, doors open that you didn't even know existed. For example, my company is hiring entry-level and second-level IT support roles. In Germany, these positions are often filled internally or through employee referrals before they even go public on their website or on sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, or Stepstone. That's why I created, as I said, a 2-week IT career mentorship program for free. Step 5. Get certified strategically, not randomly. Now and only now, certifications make sense. You have built foundations. You have practiced hands-on. You have documented everything. You have networked. Now your certifications actually means something. For example, CompTIA Security Plus or Google Cybersecurity Professional certificates are the standard entry-level certifications recognized globally. It is a solid choice for most people. Choose only one. You don't have to do both of them. After that, choose strategically based on your path. CYSA Plus if you want SOC Blue Team roles, CEH or EGPT if you want penetration testing, ISO 27001 if you are going into GRC, cloud certifications if you want security engineering. Remember, certifications are your confirmation, not your starting point. Let me bring this home. Step 1. Choose your cybersecurity path, Blue Team, Red Team, or GRC. Step 2. Build your foundation, IT basics, networking, security fundamentals. Step 3. Get hands-on labs, platforms, and document everything. Step 4. Join the community online or offline. Step 5. Get certified strategically. After you have done step 1 through 4, this is the roadmap that actually works, not the one that sounds good on paper, but the one that gets people really hired. Before you go, remember that free PDF roadmap I mentioned at the beginning. It has everything: detailed study plans, all the free resources I use, hands-on project ideas, interview prep questions, and a complete month-by-month breakdown. I created this because I wish someone had given me a clear roadmap when I started. So grab it, print it out, pin it to your wall, whatever works for you. The link is right there in the descriptions. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which step are you starting with. I reply to every single comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Your cybersecurity career is waiting. Let's make it happen. Cybersecurity is booming. Companies are desperate for skilled people, not just people who can pass multiple choice exams. If this roadmap helped you, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment telling me which cybersecurity role excites you most. SOC analyst, pen tester, GRC. I read and reply to every single comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep building your future.